Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Caddy C20 Cargo Commerce. It is a 2024 registered vehicle and comes with a diesel engine and manual transmission. It's also finished in the candy white paintwork. Taking a look at your exterior features, on the front you'll find automatic headlights ensuring brilliant visibility in all weather conditions. It also comes with the 16-inch steel wheels and the silver trim covers with the Volkswagen logo in. And around to the rear you'll find parking sensors aiding in manoeuvring via audible indications. Entry into the load space is easy with the barn-style doors. You've also got the sliding side door on the passenger's side, as well as lashing rings for load restraints on the floor. Making our way into the front on the driver's door card, you'll find the electric windows and the electrically adjustable door mirror controls. Some nice styling inside here as well, with the cloth upholstered seating offering manual adjustment for both the driver and passenger. On the steering wheel you can find the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions, as well as the next and back buttons and volume for your media. You've also got controls on the right here for the digital screen within the cockpit. Taking a look at this, you can view the assist systems, your audio, telephone connectivity, vehicle and the driving data. Onto the main media system. Under telephone you can connect via Bluetooth for hands-free calling when on the go. You've also got the radio and media tab, offering the DAB for stations across the country, as well as FM, so you've got plenty to choose from, and personal source inputs as well, including USB and Bluetooth audio. The USB can also be used to integrate your smartphone into the system, allowing you to use applications through the screen, whether that be satellite navigation or personal media applications. You've also got sound adjustment as well with the mid, treble and bass. The parking sensors in the rear do also provide a diagram so you can see exactly where obstructions are when you manoeuvre. You can adjust the climate controls on screen as well, allowing for easy adjustment with the airflow direction, fan speed and temperature. Moving down in the centre you'll find your climate control button and the parking sensors on and off. You've got the 12 volt and USB connections below with a 6-speed manual in the centre, electronic parking brake, auto hold and plenty of storage here. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.